Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to check power cord and plug for damage for your space heater. Begin by unplugging the space heater from the wall outlet before starting the inspection. Lay the power cord straight on the floor to clearly observe its full length. Inspect the cord for cuts, cracks, or frayed insulation along its entire length. Check for sharp bends or exposed internal wires that indicate damage requiring replacement. Examine the plug for visible damage or discoloration from overheating. Inspect the plug prongs to ensure they are straight and intact. Check the cord connection point at the heater body to ensure it is secure and undamaged. Finally, confirm the cord and plug are in safe condition before reconnecting power for normal use.